Pranam doll, how are you? I hope you're all fine. This is the Parijat Harsinger or the night jasmine plant. Parijat has an enchanting past, a blend of nature, myth, and devotion. The first story is very interesting. Now, I would like to ask one thing. Can you name a flower from heaven? It is none other than this Harsinger flower. Yes, I know it sounds very weird, but believe me, in the human mythology, Parijat is said to be originated from the heavenly ocean during the Samudra Manthan, which is called churning of the ocean. It was later brought to earth by Lord Krishna, which is why it is called a celestial flower. This is the only flower that blooms at night. Parijat's delicate white blooms open after sunset and fall off before sunrise, spreading a sweet fragrance at night. That's why it is called night jasmine or shuli in Bengali. Have you ever wondered why these flowers fall by themselves? It is very strange because we have never seen hibiscus fall by themselves, neither roses or other flowers. Here is the explanation for it. It's considered holy because its flowers fall on their own. You can make out that this plant is a very devotional plant. Having this plant in our homes will be very lucky. So let's come back to our main topic, how to grow Harsinger in a pot. We have a lot of videos about this plant. It is all about its growth and care. But today I will be telling how to get more flowers in this blooming season. Those who watch our videos know that last month we repotted this plant into a big pot. And that time we added a lot of manure in the soil. So that's why we will not put any solid manure this time. We will put liquid manure. It is up to your choice whether you want to give vermicompost, kitchen waste compost or cow dung. My mom prepared 3 types of manure already. One is onion peel fertilizer, second is banana peel fertilizer, and the third one is composting tea. First, she takes a bowl of rice water. Then add all the fertilizer which we named. Dilute it and give it to your plants. You can give it once or twice in a week as per your choice. Banana peel fertilizer helps in blooming. It mainly consists of potassium and phosphorus, whereas composting consists of macro and micronutrients. The onion peel fertilizer has potassium, calcium, iron, magnesium, antioxidants and trace minerals. If you think you have to add any other liquid fertilizer, you can add it. Those who have watched our videos from the start know that this small plant has bloomed a lot of flowers. And we hope we get much flowers this year as well. There's something truly magical about this plant. It teaches us quiet beauty in its simplest way. The Harsinger may bloom only at night, but its fragrance lingers long after dawn. A gentle reminder that true beauty does not need light to shine. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the interesting facts and tips we shared you today. If you want to know more, comment down below. Like and subscribe this video as well. Make sure to send this video whoever needs it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.